All right, guys. So right here, I got the Marvel Collector Course. First time I ever ordered it. Thought I'd check it out. Comes with a T-shirt and 2 Funko Pops usually. So I subscribe to it because there are some cool pops that I would like from there. Well, this is the box. Boom. Open this up. Okay. So it has the Christmas theme on it. Top of the box looks like, and just in case you guys are wondering what the box looks like, and boom, Marvel. So made in China and Vietnam. I didn't know that. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Where do you open it? Okay, here we go. Another tape. Okay. So, came inside. Coming soon. Our January theme is Fantastic Four, and I definitely want that. You know, especially to have Reed Richards' son, Franklin Richards. That'd be epic. They actually put that kid in there. You know, T-shirt. Yeah. The holiday theme. Okay, just upside down. T-shirt. I'll take it. Toothpick holders. Okay, I have this Funko Pop. I have that Captain America Snowman one and put away. So I'm gonna put this one by the Christmas tree. I got some other Christmas Wish Bear, Care Bear, Wish Bear. You know, I usually put by the tree during the holidays. Those both. That's pretty cool. And Funko Pop's coming up right now. This one is Groot. So Groot holiday theme. See him, try to get the shine in there. But it's very cool. He has the snow, and everything has the snow. Groot on the top. Very okay. Even didn't notice this, but it shows you how to get rid of it. Throw it away in the trash. This one is very cool. Okay, so it's Thor, and you can see his hammer. Here is gift wrapped. Should take this one out. Holy crap! Let's take this one out. One actually looks very cool. You see? Got focused in. Okay. And it says Thor on it. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Real quick. Thank you for watching. Oh. And also, I have 2 big mystery boxes coming. I bought a $300 Fugitive Toy one, and also a $300 Kronos Toys mystery box. So that should be coming in hopefully by this weekend, as after watching this video now. And the Fugitive Toys one should be here by next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'll immediately post up the video of that one. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Again, thank you for the support. And to the next video. Bye.